In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have multiple accounts on TikTok. So if you didn't already know, what you can do is TikTok will allow you to have multiple accounts on one TikTok app. So first of all, what you will need to do is head over to TikTok. Once you are on TikTok, you can now head over to your profile by clicking on your profile option in the bottom right hand corner. Once you click on that, as you can see right at the top of the corner, there is an option now for your username. So if you click on the drop down menu, what that will do is it will bring you to this page here, and as you can see there is now an option for add account. As you can see on my account already, I have two different accounts. I have my personal account and I also have my tutorial account. So what you can do is you can click on add account, and then you will get the option to sign into TikTok using your email, Facebook, Google or Twitter. So what you can do is you can click on login or you can create an account. As you can see, this is what it will look like. You will be able to switch between each account with just a click of a button. So it's just simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.